Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store. Hello guys, welcome back to this session of your MySQL. Now in this lecture we are going to learn about a new command, that is your delete command. Now previously also for deletion purposes we have seen certain commands that were your drop, truncate, right? From these commands also the operation which were happening was what? Deletion only. Using your drop command you were deleting the complete table, whereas using your truncate command you were deleting the complete records in your table, right? Now then what will happen using your delete command? Now when you are using your delete command and where you can use this, whenever you want to delete a single particular row, whenever you want to delete single particular row, at that time you will use your delete command, right? Sometimes happens while inserting your records in the database, sometimes happens that by mistakenly you have entered a wrong value and now you want to delete the complete row over there, attribute over there, okay? So how you can do this? Using your delete command, and the syntax for your delete command is delete from table name where location, that is column name is equal to location. Again in the update also there was where clause and here also there is where clause. Means what? Here it is asking you to specify where exactly, which row exactly you want to delete. Like you have specified in the updation clause, right? There what was happening, you need to specify where particularly you want to update, which row particularly you want to update. Similarly here also you need to specify which particular row you want to delete. How we can use this syntax in our code, we will see through this query, right? Now this is our particular table, okay? Now what I want is here the 8th ID, where the ID is 8, there the name is null, okay? I don't want this particular row, I want to delete this because this is not for me the row is not proper and I want to just delete this row, okay? Then how we can do this? Now here in this select command I will just comment this out, okay? Now here what is the syntax? Delete. Now from then table name, and here the table name is what? Employee db dot employee data, right? So employee data, like this. Then where id is equal to 8. Again here you have to specify id as a unique, means id is what? Unique. You have to specify a unique location here also, right? Now I will just fire this query, okay? Now my one row affected, you can see here, in this message you will see if at all the rows are affected or not. So here it is giving me what the rows are being affected successfully, right? So I will just comment this out and I will check if at all this has happened or not. Now just run this query, okay? Can you see a ID of 8? Can you will just enlarge this so that it will be more proper. See, can you see a ID, 8th ID over here? No, right? Means what? My query was being successfully executed and the ID, the data, the row where the ID was 8 was being deleted using what? Your delete command. Now what is the query? Delete from. From gives what? The location, means from which table you want to delete it, okay? From table name, after that where, means basic where specify the location of whom, where specify the location of your row, whereas from specify the location of your table, right? So this is the syntax, what? Delete from table name where location. This is how you can delete your what? You can delete your particular row specified over there, right? Now this was your delete command, how you can delete. Now then if you are deleting the rows from here, then what will be the difference between your truncate and your this delete command? Now in the truncate, what was happening, if you want to delete the complete records, the whole records, let's say your table is having consisting of 10,000 records and you want to delete the complete 10,000 records, then from which command you are able to do this? From the truncate command. Are you able to do this using your delete command? No. Right? Delete command will only help you to delete the particular row one by one using a count number. And if you don't want to have this count number, then directly if you want to delete the complete record, you can use this truncate command. But if you want to delete selective rows, only selective rows which are not appropriate for the database, you want to delete those selective rows only, then from this delete command you can do this, not from your truncate command. Truncate command helps you to delete all the records, whereas delete command helps you to delete the selected records which will be getting selected by the this developer or the coder or the database manager. Right? So this is the basic difference between your delete and truncate. So till now you can say how many delete command we have, deletion command we have seen: drop, truncate as well as delete, and all the three commands functionality are different as per the requirement. Right? So this was your complete delete command. In the previous lecture we have seen about the update command. This is how you can delete your particular row by giving its what? Location, and the location should be unique. Right? So this was all about your deletion concept. Hope you have understood the concept. So for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.